changers out there, welcome to Life Changing Fitness YouTube channel for another Cozy Corner. Alright, so today we're going to talk about 4 programs that we offer at Life Changing Fitness, and you can find these on our website. Alright, so the first one I'm going to talk about is meal plans. Alright, we offer meal plans, and the meal plans are very strategic to your likes, your dislikes, your allergies, your options, okay? So it's tailored to you. It is not a cookie cutter meal plan. We are going to talk about what you like, what you dislike, and what works well for your body, okay? So these meal plans are structured specifically for you. Your meal plan is not going to look like someone else's, all right? The next thing here is meal prep. We also offer meal preps, okay? You tell me what you like to eat, what you dislike. If you don't mind, you just want me to surprise you, and we can do meal preps. We do breakfast, lunch, and dinner, okay? Weekly. We can also do grocery runs for you. A lot of people don't want to go to the store, or they don't know how much of things to get, okay? So we can go to the store for you, all right? We will make the grocery run for you, whatever store of your choosing, okay? And we will get your food for the week. That brings us to our next thing on the list, grocery run assist, which means I meet you at your favorite grocery store and I take you through the nutrition of each aisle, plus the nutrition of the labels of the food that you're buying, okay? So that you can be more informed. All right, so these are the 4 programs here that we were talking about at Life Changing Fitness. Please go to lifechangingfitness.com. Again, that's www.lifechangingfitness.com. Life spelled with an Y, L-Y-F-E, all right, to take a look at these plans, all right? And before you do these plans, we would do a free consultation, all right? So that I can get some information about you. We can do a quick assessment on your needs, and then we can find out what are your best options on this list, all right? Well, I'm glad that you were here in our Cozy Corner. Can't wait to see you next week. We're here every Wednesday, every Sunday, dropping new content after 7 p.m. Please join the family here. Follow us on Instagram at Life Changing Fitness 2021, as well as Facebook at Life Changing Fitness. We love you. Stay tuned and see